jalapenos, habaneros, paprika, chilies, spring onions, garlic, shallot onions, whatever it's called, tomatoes, and later we season it with all these things up, some herbs, some peppers, some juice, lemon, olive oil, and vinegar. Step 1. Right, step 2. Keep adding the stuff. Right, now we got some place for the rest, unless you have a big blender. Right, I'll put another paprika in there. Right, then we got some fresh herbs or frozen herbs. Then we got some vinegar to, to keep make it not expire and keep it strong and yum. Then I added some pepper, and I'm gonna squeeze some juice, lemon, and we got some salt, for the glutas. Alright, and we finish up with some olive oil. Mix it up, store it, wait a few hours, and enjoy. Alright, bro, let's check it out. Woo! There we go. The result is here. There we go, spicy salsa.